Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. American rapper Kardi B is in Jamaica with her husband Offset to celebrate his 31st birthday. In videos posted on Kardi's Instagram story yesterday, the couple was seen enjoying Jamaican cuisine as well as the beautiful beaches and even stopped by a party along with her sister Hennessy. More highlights from her videos showed Offset enjoying the scenery. There was another clip showing him hanging out next to a pool overlooking the ocean. His birthday celebration comes a month after his cousin Takeoff's death. The award-winning artist Lil Wayne copped his first diamond certification from the Recording Industry Association of America for his generational smash hit single Lollipop featuring Static Major. Lollipop held on to the #1 spot on the Billboard Hot 100 for 5 non-consecutive weeks and picked up a Grammy Award in the category of Best Rap Song. It has clocked over 1 billion streams and it graced the track listing for his Grammy Award-winning 8-time platinum 2008 classic The Carter 3. The single includes vocals from Static Major enshrining the singer's legacy as well. To date, Lil Wayne has earned 5 Grammy Awards. He sold over 120 million records worldwide, notched 25 top 10 singles, logged 5 #1 debuts on the Billboard 200, and scored 62 gold, platinum and multi-platinum certifications. Good job, Weezy. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.